Have a great day, everyone. Be happy. Today, I am your instructor in explaining the alternative hypothesis. What is hypothesis? Hypothesis testing is a decision-making process for evaluating claims about a population based on the characteristics of a sample purportedly coming from that population. The decision is whether the characteristic is acceptable or not. There are two types of hypothesis: the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. Alternative hypothesis, it is denoted by H sub A or H sub 1, meaning to say the alternative hypothesis is represented by H sub A or H sub 1. It is the contrary to the null hypothesis. In a simple word, the alternative hypothesis is the opposite of null hypothesis. It shows that there is significant difference, an effect, change, relationship between a parameter and specific value. The independent variable has an effect on the dependent variable. H sub A mean sub 1 not equal mean sub 2. H sub A mean sub 1 greater than mean sub 2. H sub A mean sub 1 less than mean sub 2. The symbol is not equal. Not equal, different from, change from, not the same as. If the words in the statements are not equal, different from, change from, and not the same as, the symbol we will use is not equal. The symbol is greater than, above, higher than, bigger than, increase, at least. If the words in the statements are greater than, above, higher than, bigger than, increased, and at least, the symbol we will use is greater than. The symbol is less than, below, lower than, smaller than, shorter than, decrease or reduce from, at most. If the words in the statements are less than, below, lower than, smaller than, shorter than, decreased or reduced from, and at most, the symbol we will use is less than. So now, let us proceed to our examples. So here's the statement. The average number of calories of a low-calorie meal is at most 300. The word of the alternative hypothesis that has been given in this statement is at most. And at most is in the list of less than. So therefore, H sub A mean is less than 300 calories. I put 300 calories because the 300 calories is the given or the specific value. H sub O mean equal to 300 calories because it is the null hypothesis. Let's proceed to another example. Example number 2. A social worker wants to test at A equal 0.05 whether the average body mass index or BMI of the pupils under feeding program is different from 8.2 kilograms. The word of the alternative hypothesis that has been given in this statement is different from, and different from is in the list of not equal. So for now, we're going to write the alternative hypothesis of mean not equal 18.2, and the null hypothesis is mean equal 18.2. In words, alternative hypothesis, the average BMI of the pupils under feeding program is different from 18.2 kg. In null hypothesis, the average BMI of the pupils under feeding program is not different from 18.2 kg. That's it. Again, my name is Wesley Bentir, your subject instructor in explaining the alternative hypothesis. Thank you and be happy.